So custom icons. So as I said, if you wanted to add custom icons, there is, I'll tell you my tricks, what all I use. So in case if I need any custom icon which is not available in FlutterFlow natively, or it's very basic, I need something different. Usually what I do is I'll go to SVG repo, where I can find SVGs of the particular icon. Let's say I want search icon. So I'll just search it. Let's say I like this particular icon. I can download it. So it is downloaded, and I go to website called icomoon.com. Search icomoon, and once you go to icomoon, you need to click icomoon app. Once you click that, you'll go to this interface, and let's say you wanted the icon. So as you download the SVG icon, you can directly import that icon. I think it's not recognizing it. Let's try with it. So basically, when you have multicolors, it will get confused sometimes. So make sure to use monocolors, which are like single colors, and download one of them here. And I can import icons here. One of the both are not visible. Yeah, so this is visible. Sometimes like if we have like multiple colors, or the colors, like if it is not able to recognize, so it'll just be blank. And also when you import those to FlutterFlow, also you'll have a problem because it's not properly visible in FlutterFlow also. And in case if you have any PNG and you wanted to convert it to SVG, like for proper SVG with single color, there is a website called Victor Maker. VictorMaker.co. I'll leave it in the comments. VictorMaker.co, and the website name here is icomoon.app. So Victor Maker, why I like this is I can exactly have the icons as I need. For example, let's say I have PNG icons. Like you can see the icons files here. Like all these are high scaled PNGs. If I need any particular icon, let's say I need a mic icon for chat, right? So I can open this mic icon. So it will analyze it. It will show, like, it will identify different fonts, like, or colors it have. So what I'll do, I'll use single color. So as you see, 1 steps, which is what we need. So it will convert that into one SVG. We download that file, and what we do, we import that to icomoon. So we'll select this icon from here, and we go to generate font, and we go to settings, and in settings we'll name it as chat icons, right? Custom chat, or like just chat icons. And make sure generate dart class for Flutter is enabled, because this one which we need to import icons to FlutterFlow. So make sure this is checked. We don't need this, and just verify again if everything is correct. So as we are importing, we'll also import all the other icons. So what I said we need for chat. So we need mic icon, and we need search icon. So we need search icon. Add that here. Download that, and I also need a send icon. So these are like common icons I need for the chat application. Also download that. And this is clear because like if I export that as an icon, I'll get like I can expect what to get. Sometimes svgrepo.com is also good, but sometimes it will not recognize as full vectors in while importing in icon. You can also try this. Like some icons you're not able to import properly. So that's one downside of it. Send icon, and you may also need files icon. I'll just add this. And I'll already have. I need more. Yeah, more. I need both vertical and horizontal. The thing about Vector Maker is we can just convert one icon at a time. We cannot have multiples. So that's one downside of it. The thing is, whatever you do, like it will have perfect icon. Also need vertical, horizontal icon. And you need profile, user. See, this is like you see, this is multicolor, right? This go even if you select this, we're going to get it in one color. If you have like these colors like duo colors or multicolors, it'll be a problem there. So now log out, log in. You also need log out, login, or log out. Basically, we need this. Download here, and we'll add location features later, but also we'll add that for now. So make sure like it's just one color, not just multiple colors. Multiple colors, it will be a problem sometimes. Icon, and what else we need it? Oh. You may need others. We'll also main check icon. Yeah, so this is main we need for the seen and unseen feature. And also add that. Put clear. And double check. Download. And profile. Let's see where we have that. You also need arrow icons. Arrow left, arrow right. So why I'm importing all these icons, because these are much like good looking icons. Honestly, I don't like the icons which are natively in FlutterFlow because they're a little bit ugly, to be honest. So I just like the look and feel of this icon, what I'm importing right now. So we'll use this. I also need notifications icon. I can note down the links what I pasted in the chat, so it's useful for you. It's really efficient for adding icons and etc. And basically that is it. We'll import later if you need any other icons. So once you add that, like I can import all those icons here. I'll delete this one. So even if you can see the other icons I imported, they're not clear. So all the other ones which I added, also like most of them are correct, but location icon, you can see it is a field one. So even though like we have single color, sometimes it's not going to import properly. So just delete this. You can also search the icons you need here. Sometimes you'll get good icons. Let's say location. I need exact location type icon as we saw there. So I have a bunch of icons here. I think the closest one is this one. I'll use this feather one. And yeah, feather icon. And we'll check all these icons to import. Select all this. Go to generate font. We have this. To just make the search easier, I'll just delete the unwanted text here. Arrow left. Arrow right. You can also name them. It's easier for search. In case you in FlutterFlow you wanted to search and you wanted to, if you have like too many icons, it's easier. Put more unwanted text here. So yeah, so as I said, make sure you enable this dart class for Flutter, and you can name however you want, and just click download. Once you click download, you'll have the file in zip format. Go to your file, this one, and extract all. Just copy that URL. Now go to chat, this one. So I already have all the required icons. So here, I imported before, but I can show you. You can add. You can press on add icons, upload icon file, and you can see. You can also copy paste the link what you copied there on the extract. So when you click on that, you need to click fonts. You'll have true font file type. You have to select that and open, and it will analyze, and it will ask for a icon dart file. So this is why I said you need to enable the dart class there. So you can just go back. You'll find the dart source file. Select that, and we'll have the icons here. You can see all the icons are done. So you can just add icons here, and we'll have icons. So you can use these icons in the app. You can say you wanted this icon here. We'll just add it here. So we have all these icons. You can search for so search icon. You can search here. You can select color, like you can give color for it, etc. So for now, I'll delete the older one. So I just wanted to do everything from scratch. So we'll just delete that. So now we have the chat icons required. In case if I want more, I'll do the same approach what I showed you right now. And make sure you select all the theme, like loading star, bar, and all the other themes. And main thing is color. Make sure you set the main theme colors properly, so you don't have to do rework again in future. If you hard code colors, it's really hard to track them back in case if you need dark mode, light mode, and it's not just efficient. So make sure to create like if the color is used more than once, make sure to just create a color and name it accordingly, so it's easy for future reference. And also you don't need to worry a lot about color, like theming and etc. when we have everything set, right?